What if I told you Apple just dropped an AI bombshell poised to dethrone the reigning speech-to-text champion? For years, OpenAI's Whisper has been the undisputed king for high-accuracy audio transcription. But now, fresh off the presses and making waves across hacker news, Apple has unleashed its new SpeechAnalyzer API. Is this the end of Whisper's reign? Is Apple's offering a true game-changer? Today, we're diving deep into Apple's SpeechAnalyzer, pitting it head-to-head against Whisper and its predecessor. To uncover the truth, get ready, the results might just surprise you. First, a quick primer on speech-to-text. STT technology converts spoken language into written text, powering everything from Siri to real-time captions. For developers, accuracy, speed, and cost are paramount. Apple historically offered a robust, on-device speech framework, great for privacy but often less accurate than cloud models. Then came OpenAI's Whisper in 2022. Trained on a massive, diverse dataset, Whisper set a new standard for accuracy, handling multiple languages and challenging audio environments with unprecedented skill. Whether self-hosted or via API, Whisper quickly became the default recommendation, proving open-source AI's formidable power. Now, the million-dollar question: has Apple finally caught up, or even surpassed, this titan with SpeechAnalyzer? The tech world started buzzing when developer logs hinted at a new API from Apple. It's called SpeechAnalyzer, positioned as a significant leap from their existing on-device speech recognition framework. While Apple always champions privacy and local processing, SpeechAnalyzer seems to marry the best of both worlds. It leverages advanced neural networks and deep learning, likely trained on a vast proprietary dataset, for enhanced accuracy and robustness. What makes it particularly compelling is its tight integration within the Apple ecosystem. Developers can tap into this API across iOS, macOS, iPadOS, and watchOS, promising seamless, low-latency performance for all Apple users. We're envisioning real-time transcription, enhanced dictation, and powerful audio analysis directly on your Apple devices. The implications for accessibility, productivity, and new app categories are immense. But how does this shiny new Apple offering truly stack up against the battle-tested community favorite Whisper? Let's delve into our rigorous benchmarking methodology. To ensure a fair and comprehensive comparison, we devised a rigorous benchmarking strategy focusing on three critical metrics: accuracy, speed, or latency, and cost for accuracy. We utilized a diverse dataset comprising hours of spoken audio. This wasn't just clean studio recordings. We included podcasts with background noise, conversations with multiple speakers, diverse accents, and audio from video calls. We processed this dataset through three systems: Apple's previous on-device speech framework, running on an M2 MacBook Pro; OpenAI's Whisper API, specifically the large V2 model; and Apple's new SpeechAnalyzer API, accessed via developer beta, primarily on M-series hardware. We then calculated the word error rate, or WER, the industry standard. Lower WER means higher accuracy. For speed and latency, we measured transcription times for various audio segments, evaluating both real-time streaming and batch processing. Finally, for cost, we analyzed pricing models for both Whisper API and SpeechAnalyzer. Based on current preview info, considering per-minute usage and on-device processing advantages, we meticulously logged our findings for transparency. Now, for the moment of truth, the results. Let's dive into the most anticipated metric: accuracy. The results are fascinating. Apple's older on-device framework, while private, showed a higher WER, especially in challenging audio environments, struggling with background chatter and less common accents. This is expected for local, constrained models. Now, the main event, SpeechAnalyzer versus Whisper. For standard, clear audio, both performed exceptionally well, achieving incredibly low WERs, often indistinguishable. However, with increased noise, multiple speakers, and diverse linguistic variations, a clearer picture emerged. SpeechAnalyzer demonstrated remarkable improvement over its predecessor, often matching Whisper's large V2 model. In some tests, particularly involving Apple-centric terminology, SpeechAnalyzer even nudged ahead. Whisper, however, maintained a slight edge in raw robustness across the widest array of unpredictable audio, especially multilingual contexts. It's incredibly close, but SpeechAnalyzer has definitely closed the gap, turning a comfortable Whisper lead into a neck-and-neck race. Moving on to speed and latency. This is where Apple's tight ecosystem integration truly shines. For on-device transcription, SpeechAnalyzer exhibited incredibly low latency, processing audio in near real-time, critical for live captioning or dictation within an app. Even when leveraging its cloud component, Apple's API showed competitive speeds, optimized for low-bandwidth mobile scenarios. Whisper API, while fast, inherently introduces network latency when cloud accessed. For large batch processing, Whisper's powerful backend could churn through hours of audio quickly. But for interactive, real-time user experiences directly on an Apple device, SpeechAnalyzer clearly takes the lead, offering a huge advantage for developers building responsive applications within the Apple ecosystem. Finally, let's talk about the developer's bottom line. Cost. OpenAI's Whisper API has a clear, usage-based pricing model, typically per minute of audio processed. It's predictable, but for high-volume applications, it can add up significantly. SpeechAnalyzer, as an Apple API, operates within their developer ecosystem, while commercial pricing for potential cloud components is still emerging. Its core advantage lies in robust on-device capabilities. This means for a significant portion of usage, tasks processed locally on a user's iPhone or Mac, there's effectively zero direct API cost to the developer. This is a massive differentiator, potentially reducing operational expenses and simplifying deployment, strategically incentivizing developers to build within the Apple platform using powerful local AI. Beyond raw performance, developer experience and ecosystem integration are vital. Whisper, especially its open-source version, boasts a huge, active community and cross-platform flexibility. Its API is well documented and straightforward to integrate. Apple's SpeechAnalyzer, however, benefits from deep integration into Xcode, Swift, and the entire Apple Developer Toolkit. For existing Apple developers, adoption will be seamless. This is Apple's classic strategy. Build a fantastic, performant tool, but make it work best within their garden. It ensures a cohesive user experience but limits cross-platform versatility. For Apple-first developers, SpeechAnalyzer is a dream come true. So, has Apple's SpeechAnalyzer API truly killed Whisper? The nuanced answer is, not entirely, but it's a monumental challenge. SpeechAnalyzer is a significant leap, matching Whisper's accuracy and excelling in low latency, on-device performance and potential cost savings. For Apple ecosystem developers, it's a clear winner. Whisper, with its open-source flexibility and cross-platform compatibility, will remain a strong choice for diverse applications. This competition pushes the entire industry forward, leading to better, faster, and more accurate voice experiences for everyone. What do you think? Are you excited? Let us know in the